Hey guys, it's Mike here with Vaughn 3D. The B-58 Hustler is now available. Links are in the description below. It features a removable nose cone for easier transport, a removable fuel pod, and super scale retractable landing gear. I have a build guide that is published on my Cults page for free so that you can review how the airplane is assembled before you purchase it. I'll flip it over and get a good shot of the landing gear. No parts on the landing gear are glued together except for the TPU tire to the rim. This makes the gear easily repairable from a rough landing or a long roll-off into the grass. The wheels are small, so you'll need a flat surface to operate this aircraft from. Check out my Cults page for my other 3D printed jets, and thanks for watching.